Folks, Nick the nurse here. Today we're going to be talking about the signs and symptoms of diabetes mellitus. Now with diabetes mellitus, we need to differentiate between type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Now with type 1 diabetes, some of the signs and symptoms can include hyperglycemia, polydipsia, polyuria, and polyphagia. Okay? They're going to want to drink a lot, they're going to eat a lot, and they're going to pee a lot. Those are three classic signs or symptoms that you need to be familiar with. Okay, weight loss, particularly at the onset of the disease, blurred vision, fatigue and weakness, slow wound healing, increased susceptibility to infection, rapid onset, might have numbness in their fingers and toes from diabetic neuropathy, as well as retinopathy. Okay, so a lot to take in there. Now, contrast that with type 2 diabetes signs and symptoms. These can include hyperglycemia, again, polydipsia, polyuria, polyphagia, okay? Obesity, blurred vision, slow wound healing, fatigue and weakness, increased susceptibility to infection, gradual onset in this particular case, peripheral vascular disease, numbness in fingers and toes, again from diabetic neuropathy, retinopathy, and they also might have increased hemoglobin A1C levels. The normal is around the 4 to 6 range, and again, this varies depending by doctor or by textbook, but around 4 to 6 is normal. So the higher it gets, it's more of a sign or symptom that the patient has developed abnormal blood sugars or hyperglycemia. And also Kussmaul respirations, particularly in diabetic ketoacidosis, but we'll talk about that in a different video. Lots of signs and symptoms here, but if there's nothing else that you remember, please remember the 3 P's: polydipsia, polyuria, and polyphagia. Okay? If you do those 3 things, or I'm sorry, if you can actually remember those 3 things, you're going to be well on your way to doing well on your nursing school exams and on the NCLEX. Again, my name is Nick the nurse. I'd like to thank you for watching my video today. If you'd like to check out any of my other completely free videos, check them out at www.nickthenurse.com. Again, that's www.nickthenurse.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.